Hello friends, welcome to my new tech blog. Already in the previous blog we have discussed how to create a Gmail account. If you have not gone through that video or if you don't know how to create a Gmail account, in that scenario there is a video link in the description. You can go ahead and go through that video or watch that video so that you will get to know how to create a Gmail account. Now in this video we will discuss how to write a mail using your Gmail account. So for writing a mail, you can see a compose button with plus sign on the left hand side of the screen. So once you click on that compose button, there will be a new dialog box appear. Here you can see two. Two refers to the person to whom you want to send the required message. So here for updating to, you should have the required person Gmail address. So for example, here I will show you, I will write a mail to my second Gmail account which I already own. So here you can see it's mohanmadan61@gmail.com. This is one more account which I have. So for example, I will show how to write a mail to this account. So in 2 I have updated my other account or other Gmail account. Then subject. Subject means briefly you need to explain what your message is about in one line or in some words. Suppose I am requesting leave from my lead or from my manager, so or from person like from my teacher or someone. In that scenario, subject will be like leave request. Depending on what your message is about, the required subject line will change. So now coming to the message part, we will start always with hi. This is a professional mail, so I am writing like hi Madan, I need leave for one day, that is 25th July 2022 due to some personal reasons. Thus request you to approve the same. At last we will give the sender name, like it will be like your signature. After writing anything, you are acknowledging or you are giving your signature so that you are satisfying, yeah, I have write that mail. So here regards Madan Mohan means Madan Mohan is asking from Madan that I need a leave for one day. So that's all. Now your message is ready. Once you click on the send button, it will go to the required recipient. Recipient refers to the person whose name you have mentioned in 2. That is mohanmadan61@gmail.com. And the sender refers to the person who is writing the required mail. So once you send, you will see there is a option called undo. Message sent, undo. It will appear only for 2 to 3 seconds. Suppose by mistake you have sent the required mail. In that scenario, you can undo it so that it will not go to the required recipient or required person. But once that undo button will disappear, in that scenario, there is no way to recover or to stop that mail from going to the required person. Once the mail has been sent, you will see it in the sent option. Once you click on sent, you will see that already this required mail has been sent at 1 p.m. Once if you want to check, then you can see, here you can see this Madan Mohan 071992 has sent the required mail to mohanmadan61@gmail.com. Subject is leave request, and then this is the required message. So whatever message you will send from your side, that will appear under sent box, while if you will get any mail from some other person, that will appear in your inbox. That's all guys. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.